How important to the home inspector is water penetration? By far, it is the greatest concern of home buyers and sellers. Moisture in the wrong location can be devastating to the structure, occupant's health, and value of the home. The home inspector must be on top of their game, recognizing causes and results of moisture intrusion. Each type of cladding handles moisture differently, and none are waterproofing membranes. Typically, wall surfaces are installed over building materials that are hygroscopic, acting like a sponge. Whether it's large volumes or small insidious drips, moisture stains and damage are destructive and the responsibility of the home inspector to discover. Consider it one of your non-negotiables. Moisture flaws that can lead to moisture entering the building from the exterior are never okay. Wall surfaces have numerous penetrations, changes in directions, and materials. The more complex the building design, the greater the risk of moisture intrusion. Cladding materials are meant to shed water and should have the ability to dry out. The back of all wall surface materials get damp or wet. Drying potential is very important. Although the type and condition of the cladding is important, even more important are the installation and location of flashings, caulkings, weep holes, and capillary breaks. Flashing is located on a vertical wall where a horizontal member projects out beyond the surface above it, creating a ledge. Flashing is installed horizontally. Common examples of flashing are types and locations are drip flashing over windows, ledger board flashing for decks, kick-out flashing at wall connections, and Z-flashing on wall panels. Caulking is to be located at every vertical connection. Examples of caulking would be exterior surface caulking and concealed back caulking, which is not going to be visible. Flashing and caulking are used to control gravity and wind-driven rain. Both keep water out, but only flashing lets water out. Because the back of wall cladding gets damp or wet, caulking horizontally would trap water in the wall. With face-sealed wall material such as brick and stucco, weep holes, ropes, or screeds are used to let the water out. Often these are buried and difficult to see. Common examples of weep screeds are drip screeds, brick weep holes, brick weep ropes. Capillary breaks are created by proper clearances from earth, roof, and other materials. Clearances are to protect against capillary suction and hydrostatic pressure. Common examples of clearances are grading, roof shingles, buried weep holes, and built-up planter boxes.